When a customer calls your business and hears silence, or worse, an endless ring, you've already lost a little bit of trust. And IVR fixes that. It's the phone menu that greets callers, gives them options, and routes them to the right person without anyone lifting a finger. In this video, we'll set one up from scratch in KrispCall. Takes about 5 minutes. Let's do it. Step 1. Open IVR settings. Log into your KrispCall dashboard. Go to Settings, then Phone Numbers. Click the number you want IVR on. Then, on Call Settings, pick the strategy as IVR. This is where you set up the IVR in KrispCall. Step 2. Record your greeting. You can either generate text-to-speech, or you can record and upload an audio file directly from your browser, in MP3 or WAV. Keep it short. Something like, "Thank you for calling KrispCall. Press 1 for sales, 2 for support, 3 for billing." 15 seconds max. Nobody wants a 45-second monologue before they can talk to someone. Step 3. Assign your menu options. Now comes the core of it. Each number key maps to an action. Key 1 maps to route to your sales team. Key 2 maps to route to support. Key 0 maps to operator. For each key, you choose what happens. Route to a specific person, send to voicemail, play a recorded message, or even forward the entire call to an external number, or ring a group of agents. Here's a pro tip. Keep it to 3 or 4 options. We've watched businesses with IVR menus that go all the way to 9. By option 5, most customers already end the call. Your callers will too. Step 4. Test it. And before you go live, test it first. Call your number from a different phone. Listen to the greeting. Is the audio clear? Press each key. Does it route to the right person? Wait for the timeout. Does it handle voicemails correctly? Fix anything that feels off. You can change the greeting or reroute keys anytime as you need. Mistakes to avoid. We've seen teams getting it wrong. First, too many options. Stick to 3 or 4, not 8. Second, no talk to a human escape. Always include a key that connects the caller to a live person. Nothing is more frustrating than being trapped in a phone tree with no way out. Third, forgetting after hours. If your office closes at 6 p.m., set up a different greeting that tells callers when you're available and offers voicemail. Don't just let it ring. That's it. Your IVR is live. Callers hear a professional greeting, choose what they need, and get routed automatically. If you need multi-level IVR, where callers go through several menus, we'll cover it in a future video. Link to get started is in the description. Subscribe for more KrispCall tutorials.